Attention all workers. Attention all workers. Day shift starting in T-minus 15 minutes. Farmers to report to mess hall immediately. If you are experiencing any symptoms such as fever, cough, vomiting, or difficulty breathing, proceed to the medical bay for examination. The safety and well-being of our colony is Wayland-Yutani's top priority. Attention all workers.
Did you hear about the claustrophobic astronaut? He needed space.
I'm begging you, you got to stop.
I just spent my full share on a belt that won't fit. Huge waste.
See that cornbread?
Maybe it's because I'm on this seafood diet. Seafood, I eat it.
It's so bad.
You always laughed at that one.
Yeah, when I was 12. Sure, it's Mr. Finch. We owe him 3 months today.
He'll call again.
Well, maybe he won't be here when he does.